Hi there, this is Tony Delisi at Berkshire Hathaway Real Estate in Crystal Lake. And today's video is about something surprising, I think, and that is do not over renovate or even take on projects until you watch this video because it's got some very surprising facts for you. And many sellers are disappointed and surprised when they find out how much what they've spent on renovations contributes to the value of a home they want to sell. So let's start off by taking a look at landscaping. You know, basic landscaping is important, it'll add to the value of your home. But over landscaping is a problem because many people think that it's too much work or too expensive to maintain. I sold a house once that it was a retired couple that owned it. They loved the garden and it was like a park. But people that were coming to buy it would say things like, "Oh, I'd have to quit my job just to do the landscaping." So it's very important that you do basic landscaping that improves your curb appeal, but don't go nuts on it because you won't get the return and you can actually hurt the sale of your house. Now, you might be wondering, well, what is the highest return I could do? And the answer, surprisingly, is your front door. You see, people spend the most time there looking around while the realtor opens the lockbox and gets the key and unlocks the door. And it's a big factor in curb appeal. I was in a home yesterday that had one of the most beautiful front doors I've ever seen. It was a really bright green and it was just gleaming. I mean, it was in excellent shape. It looked like a car that just came out of the showroom. Now, that would repay the investment that it took to get it, and actually, some contractors say it will pay more than what you paid to get it. So that's something to consider. Now, at least paint and clean your front door because when you get a first impression of a house that it's dirty or not kept up, it's hard to overcome. Okay, now here's one that is a surprise to me anyway, and that is putting in a pool. Putting in a pool is very expensive, and according to the contractor sites, you will only recoup about 7% of what you pay to put in a pool. And it will make your home less attractive to some people. Now, it will make it more attractive to some people, but there's far more people that do not want a pool because of the risk to their children and the cost of maintenance and all those kind of things. So I would think twice before I put in a pool. Now, here's the most important thing in this video. Do not over upgrade. Now, here's what I mean by that is no matter how great you do things, your home has to be in the similar price range to other homes in your neighborhood. Now, I'm going to give you the first example I ever saw of this. I went to take a listing, and the couple said, where do you see this? We redid all the floors in our home with marble. Cost $100,000. So take whatever you think our home is worth and just add $100,000 because of the marble. Well, unfortunately, that priced their house way out of the average for the neighborhood. So when people looked it up online or came up, they see, okay, this house is 400,000, this house is 500,000, same size, same number of bedrooms. Well, and many people don't want marble in every room. So that's an example. Now, yesterday I was in a home. It was a beautiful home, and it had everything upgraded that you could want. It was good. But here's the thing, they had a big deck, they had a gazebo that was all screened in, and it had a hot tub in it, and they added on a room at the back, like a room you can sit in to enjoy nature, and they had another room as well. The basement was really well done, but it had a bedroom, a full walk in shower, bathroom, and so on. So, as you can see, they might be very proud of what they did, and I was certainly impressed, but it raised the price of the home so much that when you look it up online, it was priced at $100,000 more than Zillow or Realtor.com would say it's worth. Now, would you go out to look at a home like that, or would you think, wow, they really overpriced that? So, my advice is to be very careful if you're thinking about a project, and don't delay putting your home for sale by giant projects. Now, I have a little gift for you, and that is in the first comments, you're going to see that I've prepared a report on doing renovations, being careful what you need to know, and I have the price and the return on investment by many popular renovations. So it's a book you should have, or a report. It's not really a book, but it is a report. And if you'd like to get one, it's free. Just send me an email at tony.delisi.com@gmail.com, or you can call or text me at 847-471-7177 to get your free copy of the book. There, I say it's a book again. But I don't want to call it a book because it's not that big. I mean, it's a nice report, but it's not a book. Okay, so, but if you'd like to get your copy, just send me that and ask for it, and I'll be glad to send it out, no charge. So, thanks very much for watching. If you like this video, I hope you'll subscribe to our channel, and I'm going to be posting more things buyers and sellers should know, and it's about the northwest suburbs of Chicago. So I hope that you'll come back and watch some more videos, and thanks for watching this one.